Hey there guys, Allison from Zitrev Wrold. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing 10 minutes inner and outer thigh workout. All you're gonna be needing today is a mat and a chair. So go get a chair, any chair is fine, and let's get going. But before we begin, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Okay guys, let's begin. You can put your chair aside, we're not going to use it right now. And we are going to start with lateral leg raises. So we're just going to start with the right leg. And just try to pull your leg out and in. Okay, switch to the other leg. We're gonna go with the left now. It's definitely the left leg. Okay you guys, let's go for lunge. Now, not lunge, okay, we're just gonna do lunges. Now we're just going to try to keep our knee straight with our toes and try not to touch the floor, with your knee. This actually is to give you the strength and the resistance, which is why we don't want to collapse all the way down to the floor. Let's switch to the other side. Keep those toes aligned with your knee and don't touch the floor with your left knee, or in this case your right knee. Okay, let's go for side lunges. Now remember, keep your knee aligned with your toes. And for these side lunges, you want to actually bring your glutes a little bit back in order for you to feel the inner thigh working. Okay guys, get ready to switch to the other side. Okie dokie guys, now we're gonna go get our chair. For this exercise, you're gonna place your right foot in the middle of the chair, and you're gonna be a bit forward, so whenever you bend your knee, you're actually keeping that alignment of the knee and the toes. With this exercise, you gotta feel it in your inner thigh and your glutes. Okay, change to the other side or the other leg. Just switch the legs, that way you won't be moving around and you stay on the same place and the distance from your chair. Okay, we are done. Now for the next exercise, you can just put your chair aside and we're gonna go into our mat. Guys, now we're just gonna lay down on the side, keep your elbow on the ground, hips up, and we're just gonna open and close our legs. It's like doing the kissing clamp, but except like just opening and closing our legs, keeping our hips off the ground. This works out your obliques, your inner thigh, outer thigh, and glutes. Okay guys, get ready to switch to the other side, to the left leg. Remember to keep your elbow on the ground, hips off the floor, and just open and close your legs, keeping your feet together. Good, let's go for a shoulder bridge, but in this case, in order to work out the inner thigh, we're gonna keep our knees together as close as you can. If you can actually keep them glued together, that's perfect. And we're just gonna go with the shoulder bridge. We're gonna bring our hips up and down. Awesome, for the last exercise you guys, we are gonna keep our legs up to the ceiling, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna crisscross your legs and open a little bit. You don't really need to open too much the legs to the side, just a little bit like a V, and then close back and crisscross them. You really need to feel this one in your inner thighs as well. Awesome, you guys, you are done. But before you go, let's just do a nice stretch so you can stretch your inner thighs. You're gonna keep your feet together, elbows to your knees, and bring your chest forward. This is just to stretch the inner thighs. You can also bring your hands forward. But if you want to feel a deeper stretch, you can keep them on your knees, your elbows on your knees. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you love this video. If you are new and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, join us, share and like this video, and we'll be seeing you next Wednesday. See ya!